In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A03 and today I would like to show you how you can operate app permissions on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down to access Security and Privacy. Following that, scroll down again and click on Privacy section. Now click on Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like camera. Now click on one of your apps and tap on one of those options in order to apply it. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I click and go back, I can see that Chrome just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using it. But you can always click on one of your apps and scroll all the way down instead. Then click on See All Permissions and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!